Hello, TRX Water Damage Restoration Team. This is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. I reached out earlier today and I spoke with Eunice, and I told her that I was going to be sending you guys the screencast, and so here it is. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I just want to go through your site a little bit, one of your top competitor sites a little bit, and then I'm actually going to give you 3 ways that you can use today for free to start bringing in more traffic to your site. And so typically I will send these out, and once business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, that they want to team up. So if you watch this through and feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out. But without further ado, let's get into it. So right now I'm on your home page, which actually looks pretty good. And so you guys actually have a good amount of content on here, it seems. I did a word counter, and you guys have 1,360 words, which is good. You usually want to have around a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 on your home page. And you also want to make sure that that content is going to be high quality educational content. Google is going to come through here, and they rank you off of about 200 different factors. And one of those key factors is going to be content. They want to be able to read through this and say that their users are going to be able to find the services and information that they are looking for. And in addition to that, we also want to add some good high volume keywords in here so you guys can get ranked for the right things and start bringing in the most traffic possible. So over here, I am on Google. The keyword that I will be using for this video is mold remediation, Staten Island, New York. This is a very good keyword. It brings in around 300 searches per month. So even if you're just landing a few of those alone, you're doing pretty well. And so right below the search bar, we have our Google Ads. Google Ads are a great way to get your name out there while you're waiting for your SEO to warm up. As long as you know what you're doing. If you do not, they could actually be a huge money pit, but they are a good way to kind of start getting some brand recognition. And below that, we have our Google Map Pack. And so now you have to be top 3 spot to get on this first page of Google. And in order to do that, you have to have a lot of citations. And so what a citation is just your business being listed on local directories around the web. So think Yelp, think Yellow Pages, think Yext. Those are all examples of highly trusted, highly used directories that you could put your business on. And you also want to make sure that you put it on exactly the same everywhere you go, because if it is even just one character off, one number off, it will not be counted by Google as a relevant citation. And so down here, these are our organic search results. And so this is the #1 place that you want to aim to be at. Google has actually come out and said that over 70% of people, when they search for something, they will be clicking on one of these organic search results. It's always almost going to be one towards the top of the page. So we could actually take a look at this guy right here. And so Precision Mold Removal is actually a national company, but they're not that big, but they definitely implement SEO. I've seen them a lot when working with other companies, different parts of the country. So they have on this page 1,571 words. And so it's not that much more than you, but they do have a lot of like good high-powered keywords in here. So we definitely want to do that for your site as well. But the main way that you're going to get up here on these organic search results is going to be through backlinks. And so backlinks are basically a shout out from another website. So basically you'd want to get a shout out from one business in your area that is well trusted and relevant to your business. And so the internet is made up of businesses linking businesses and websites linking websites. And so you want websites that are relevant to you to kind of give you one of these backlinks or shout outs. So if a local construction company, plumbing company, or real estate agent were to give you a backlink, that would be very valuable for you. And so if you guys ever try and do this on your own, I highly suggest you get this tool. This is ahrefs.com. It costs around $400 a month for me to use it, but it gives a lot of good information. And so right here, I typed in the competitor that we were just looking at. And so they have over 1,500 backlinks from over 270 domains, different websites, and are ranking for 2.5 thousand keywords. So that's quite a lot. But also keep in mind they are a national company. So I can click on this so we can see which ones they use for their New York page. And we can kind of just go through and see which keywords they use that have the most volume, bring them the most traffic. And then also over here, we can see what position they hold for that keyword. So we can kind of go through here and pick and choose which keywords have the most volume, that bring in the most traffic, that have the most buyer intent behind them. So we can kind of pick through and see which ones we want to use for your site. And so the way that we just went and looked through all of their keywords, we can actually do the same with their backlinks. So we can go through here and we can see all their backlinks. Backlinks are rated off this thing called DR, domain rating. It goes from 1 to 100. You want to get the ones that are closer to 100. So we can go through and see which backlinks are going to be the most high-powered and relevant, and we can try and snag them for your site. So they have around 1,500 backlinks, which honestly isn't that hard to beat. But do keep in mind that this is just one competitor for one keyword, for one of the services and one of the areas that you guys rank for. And so we want to be able to beat out all of the sites, all the competitors for all the keywords, for all the services that you guys provide, and in all the areas you provide them in. So yeah, that's basically what I have for you today. To kind of recap what we went over, number one is going to be content. We want high quality educational content with the correct high volume keywords. And then number two is we want to get some more citations so you can get on the Google Map Pack. And then number three is backlinks. And so really quickly, I'm just going to go through your site. So I typed you guys in right here. As you can see, you have around 250 backlinks from 34 different sites and are ranking for 19 different keywords. Really quickly, let's just go through that. So as you can see, the ones that you guys have chosen don't have as much volume, not as many people are searching for them. So we would definitely want to add some more keywords for you guys and some more backlinks. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you guys make the best use out of it. If you watch through this and you decide that you want to learn more or possibly team up, please email me back or you can call me at 714-975-5909. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.